Introduce highlight features and overview of zonfind mini heat press, portable EasyPress iron for heating transfer with 3 heat setting, EasyPress heat press machine. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The customized size of EasyPress is 11.2 x 5.9 x 12.9 cm / 4.4 x 2.3 x 5.1 inches and the heating plate is 8 x 5 cm / 3.1 x 2.0 inches. Mini heat press machine is very small, like hand size and easy to carry. Compact size ideal for unusually small or unique heat transfer projects. With FCC and LU certification, comply with safety standards. The new mini press equipped with patented MMS, motion monitor system, which continuously checking whether mini press is iron on or standby. Auto beep after being lifted up and iron on for 25 seconds, which allows you to work with full focus on your creation. The EasyPress keeps you safe at all times with auto shut-off system, auto off after 13-minute untouched, and insulated safety base, avoid burning by accident. Mini heat press machine has 3 heat settings to meet your all different heat transfer demands. Low temperature, 284 degrees Fahrenheit 140 degrees Celsius, medium temperature, 338 degrees Fahrenheit 170 degrees Celsius, high temperature, 392 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. The sole plate is made from coated dry heat plate, which can reach 140 degrees Celsius within 40 seconds and keep up the heat without missing a beat, make your projects more perfectly. White body, simple and stylish, with appearance patent. Our small shirt press machine is ergonomically designed to hold with a comfortable grab handle and use easily for even someone with arthritis. Bring much convenience to sewing projects and ironing clothes with vinyl patterns. The Mini EasyPress perfect for small or unique heat transfer projects, perfect for t-shirts, baby clothes, accessories, hat, tote bags, mask, pillows, aprons and more. Mini heat press is a must-have for iron-on crafters, and very suitable for craft enthusiasts, students, and housewives. You can also take it as a useful gift to friends. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.